In a world obsessed with screens, software, subscriptions, and disposable technology, something extraordinary is happening quietly in garages, back roads, deserts, mountain passes, and forgotten highways. Machines built more than 30, 40, even 50 years ago are still running, still cruising, still dominating reliability charts, and still humiliating brand new cars that cost 5 times more. These machines wear one legendary badge, Mercedes Benz. Once upon a time, Mercedes engineers were given a simple mission: build cars that would outlive their owners. There were no cost limits, no marketing shortcuts, no planned obsolescence, no fragile electronics designed to fail after a warranty. Every bolt, every weld, every steel panel, and every mechanical component was designed to survive decades of abuse, millions of heat cycles, and hundreds of thousands of miles of punishment. And today, in 2026, those legendary machines are cheaper than economy cars, yet stronger than modern luxury vehicles. These are 6 cheap Mercedes models that will outlive brand new cars, outlast modern engineering, and embarrass today's disposable automotive industry. This is not nostalgia. This is mechanical dominance. This is the era when Mercedes built cars like tanks. The story begins in the late 1970s, when Mercedes engineers created what many consider the greatest diesel sedan ever made. A machine so indestructible that it became a global legend. The Mercedes W123. The moment you see it, you understand that this car was built differently. Thick steel panels, massive chrome bumpers, heavy doors that close with a deep mechanical thud. No flimsy materials, no hollow bodywork, no cost cutting. This was pure engineering brutality. Under the hood sits one of the most legendary diesel engines ever built. Naturally aspirated, mechanically injected, slow revving, under-stressed, and designed to operate forever. These engines were never meant to chase horsepower. They were built to survive abuse, poor fuel quality, extreme temperatures, and endless highway miles. This engine does not care about modern driving conditions. It does not fear traffic. It does not fear heat. It does not fear time. There are documented W123 models with more than 1 million miles. Taxi fleets in Europe ran them non-stop for decades. African transport companies used them across deserts and jungles. Middle Eastern drivers pushed them through blistering heat and brutal sandstorms. And they survived. The suspension system was overbuilt. The steel thickness was unmatched. The chassis rigidity was insane. Every mechanical system was built with redundancy. If one component failed, the car could still keep going. There were no fragile computers. No complicated sensors. No electronic nightmares. Just pure mechanical engineering. In 2026, you can buy a W123 for the price of a cheap smartphone, and own a machine that can still cross continents. This car is not old. It is immortal. Then came the car that many enthusiasts still call the last true Mercedes. The W124. This was the final era before cost-cutting took control. Mercedes engineers still had freedom, still had budgets, still had authority, and they created a masterpiece. The W124 was aerodynamic, elegant, timeless, and unbelievably solid. The body structure was stronger than many modern SUVs. The doors shut with the sound of a bank vault locking. The interior materials were designed to resist decades of use. Under the hood lived some of the most durable engines Mercedes ever produced. Inline-6 petrol engines, legendary diesel motors, naturally aspirated power plants that delivered smooth, endless torque without stress. The transmissions were heavy-duty. The suspension geometry was designed for comfort and stability at autobahn speeds. The cooling systems were oversized. The braking systems were massively over-engineered. Everything about the W124 screamed longevity. This was a car designed to cruise at 120 miles per hour all day, every day, without breaking a sweat. Many W124 examples have crossed 400,000, 500,000, even 700,000 miles, and they're still running strong. In 2026, these cars cost less than budget hatchbacks, yet deliver build quality that modern luxury brands cannot even match. This is the machine that destroyed the myth that new equals better. Then there is the compact legend that shocked the automotive world. The Mercedes 190e. When Mercedes decided to build a smaller sedan, the industry expected compromises. What they delivered instead was a miniature S-Class. The 190e was built using the same engineering principles as the flagship luxury sedans. Thick steel, overbuilt suspension, ultra-durable drivetrains, advanced multi-link rear suspension that was decades ahead of its time. This car introduced handling precision that redefined compact sedans. It delivered comfort, control, and mechanical durability in a body size that made it accessible. Under the hood lived bulletproof 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines. These motors were built to survive extreme conditions and endless mileage. The steering was hydraulic, direct, and precise. The suspension soaked up broken roads while maintaining incredible stability. The cabin materials resisted wear like armored plating. This was the baby tank. A compact Mercedes that could outlast SUVs, trucks, and modern sedans. In 2026, the 190e remains one of the greatest reliability bargains in automotive history. Next comes a machine that many people misunderstood. The W210e class. Yes, some early models had rust issues. But when equipped with the right engines, especially the legendary diesel motors and the naturally aspirated V6, this car becomes nearly indestructible. Under the hood, the engines are massive, understressed, and unbelievably durable. These power plants routinely cross 400,000 miles with nothing more than routine servicing. The chassis is solid, the suspension is heavy-duty, the braking systems are oversized. The interior materials, though simpler than earlier generations, still deliver outstanding durability. This car was built for highways. It devours long-distance driving. It thrives on continuous operation. Taxi fleets around the world push these cars relentlessly, and they refuse to die. In 2026, W210 models represent one of the most insane luxury bargains ever created. You get S-Class ride comfort, legendary Mercedes reliability, and timeless design for a fraction of the cost of modern economy cars. Now comes the king of luxury endurance. The Mercedes W126 S-Class. This was the era when Mercedes built cars with no limits. No accountants. No compromises. This was the most over-engineered luxury sedan ever produced. Every component was built for durability, safety, and long-term survivability. Thick steel reinforced the cabin. Massive crumple zones protected passengers. Advanced safety engineering redefined automotive standards. Under the hood lived legendary inline-6 engines and massive naturally aspirated version 8S. These motors were designed to deliver smooth power effortlessly for decades. The suspension system balanced comfort and stability perfectly. The cabin insulation was designed for silence at autobahn speeds. The interior materials were built to resist wear for generations. This was not transportation, this was mechanical royalty. Many W126 models have crossed 500,000 miles and continue running smoothly. In 2026, this S-Class costs less than modern compact sedans, yet delivers luxury, comfort, safety, and durability that modern cars struggle to match. This is the definition of timeless engineering. Finally comes the surprise modern classic. The W211 E-Class facelift models. After early reliability issues, Mercedes refined the engineering, corrected electronic weaknesses, strengthened mechanical systems, and created one of the most balanced luxury sedans ever built. The facelift models delivered reliable V6 engines, robust diesel power plants, improved electronics, and excellent chassis durability. These cars blend modern comfort with old-school Mercedes durability. Advanced safety systems, premium interiors, refined suspensions, and strong drivetrains all combine into a luxury machine that can still cross 300,000 miles with ease. In 2026, the W211 facelift represents the perfect bridge between classic durability and modern comfort. It offers performance, refinement, safety, and reliability in a package that modern cars simply cannot match at the same price point. And this is where the truth becomes impossible to ignore. Modern cars are disposable, tiny turbocharged engines stressed to their limits. Complex electronics loaded with failure points. Plastic components everywhere. Overloaded computer systems. Fragile transmissions. Lightweight materials designed for cost reduction, not durability. They are built to last warranty periods, not lifetimes. Old Mercedes models were built to outlive generations. These machines were designed to operate for decades. Their engines were understressed. Their materials were over-engineered. Their systems were simplified for reliability. This is why 40-year-old Mercedes cars still dominate roads across the world. This is why million-mile examples exist. This is why these cars refuse to die. In 2026, while modern cars drown in software failures, sensor errors, transmission breakdowns, turbo failures, and electronic chaos, these classic Mercedes continue running with mechanical simplicity and unstoppable durability. They start every morning. They cruise endlessly. They absorb abuse. They conquer distance. They survive time. These 6 machines are not just cheap used cars. They are rolling proof that engineering excellence can outlast technological obsession. They represent a forgotten era when manufacturers built cars to be eternal. They are machines that refuse to surrender. They are mechanical legends. They are the Mercedes that will outlive new cars.